It's day one, Sturgis. So the plan for today is to get the 136 to S&S and pray that they can help us out and get this thing running right. If all goes well, we're gonna head over to Needles Highway and Custer State Park, followed by one of the owners of Blakline Speed Shop, Bryce. A family member of his has about 100 acres just outside of Custer, so we're gonna hit that and he's gonna barbecue us up some brisket. So I'm super excited about that, as long as all this goes fine. Now Kenny had lost the brake pad and his front rotor, like half a pad. I've never seen that happen. And Mikey lost the tank bolt. So a couple little parts we got to get, and we should be cruising down the road nice and easy. So you guys hope for me that this goes well at S&S. I'm really hoping they hook us up and we get to ride this rally. If not, old girl's going home in a trailer. But yeah, let's get to it.
You see this bowl? You see me? You think this bowl's got anything on me? We're gonna see tomorrow night!
All right guys, so we're at Blakline. No, we're at Black Hills Harley Davidson. We're gonna go look for S&S and pray for me, guys. Hopefully they hook us up. Hopefully they take care of this motor and we can ride this weekend. So I'm gonna keep you guys informed. I'll bring you guys along with me, and probably won't show you what they say, but I'll tell you what they say after. All right, let's go. All right, so we just talked to the guys at S&S, and I mean, I don't know if they're gonna be able to fix it, but they said bring the bike in. So I'm heading out to the parking lot, go grab the bike. I'm really excited, man. I hope they're able to fix it, because I really want to ride this time. But he's like, we told Bryce from Blakline was like, hey, we just put this 136 in. It's got 1,200 miles on it and it's clicking real bad. So I'm really hoping they're able to throw some new push rods in there and it's good to go. Hopefully I didn't do too much damage, but let's grab this thing and check it out, man. Like I said, I'm bringing you guys with me through the whole thing, so stay tuned. Now, where's the black road glass? Yeah, dude, just brought it over here. They said throw that thing on the list. Let me take you guys over here so you can check it out. Bike's on the lift now, man. We'll see. We'll see if it's something. If it's not something easy, I'm sure, you know what I mean. You got to understand it's a business at a rally where they're busy as fuck. So if they can't fix it, they can't fix it. But shout out to S&S for giving it a shot, man. I appreciate you guys, and I can't wait to see the outcome of this one. While we waited to see if S&S could repair my 136, Nick began to build an audience for the bull ride tonight, and Rafe lost something really important.
You see that bowl? See these shit kickers? I've been through a couple of bowls in my day, alright? Can't find my wallet. Not good.
Hey, you just came out of here?
One of these, yeah. Well, a few minutes ago, I just noticed, I'm like, oh shit, no wallet. But not, it would be in the porta potty. That's my baby. That's a big ass area wallet.
Oh, this is fun.
All my cash, my cards, everything, dog.
So Rafe thought he lost his wallet, so he's looking in the porta potties like he dropped it in when he went to the bathroom. But they had it waiting for him right here. How do you feel, dude?
I feel amazing now. I need a Red Bull.
Well, that was a good feeling. We got to help out Rafe, and he found his wallet. So it's always nice to help out a friend, even if it was by accident. But he thought his wallet was in the shitter, and it's a good thing it wasn't. So he's got money now.
It would have been funny if it was. It would have been funny.
He owes me a beer, for sure. Oh, yeah!
You sound normal again, brother.
S&S was able to fix the bike.
Yeah, right.
I guess the push rod had got messed up, and it just so happened that they redesigned the push rods and to make them even stronger, and they threw those in here, and this thing sounds like a beast once again. I can't wait to get on it. We're about to go ride the Black Hills, Needles Highway. We're doing it all, man. I am super stoked. Shout out to S&S. Great customer service, man. Thank you guys so much for taking care of me at a rally. This is incredible, man. I'm super stoked. But anyways, we're hanging out right now. So Tyler, he wanted to get his a cam plate put on his bike because where he had his bike mounted, it rubbed a hole in his cam plate. And I noticed he was fucking smoking when we came out to the freeway on the way up here. He paid one of the mechanics at one of these spots out here to throw it on for him so he didn't have to do it in the parking lot. So we're waiting for that to get done. While we're waiting, Tyler did throw on brake pads for Kenny in the parking lot because half of his front brake pad flew off. So yeah, we'll kick it here for a little bit longer, and then we're gonna head over to dinner. I'm not sure if we're gonna hit Needles on the way there. I really hope we do, but if not, we're gonna hit the short route there, and then we'll save Needles for tomorrow. We have a few days here, so we'll definitely get some riding in. I'm stoked to get on my bike. I still have not ridden my bike. It's been a few hours. I'm stoked to get on my bike and see how that power feels again. All right, man. So unless anything else crazy happens, we'll probably just see you guys when we get back on the road. We didn't get to go ride Needles Highway, but we were a little late getting held up. Tyler had to stay back there. He still hadn't started on his bike. So we just decided, because Bryce's cousin was nice enough to let us come out here. So I'm trying to figure out where these guys went. To let us come out here, and he was gonna barbecue for us. So that's where we're at now. We're just over here, just outside of, I think this place called Hermosa. So we're gonna get us some barbecue, and then Nick is gonna ride a damn bull. So look forward to seeing that shit. All right, guys, stay tuned. Nick's about to go meet the bull face to face.
Puppy dog.
Not scared one bit. I'm ready. I was born ready.
Yeah, you should get out, Nick. He's not gonna jump.
You can't get out until you get on that motherfucker.
Hey, where's his helmet? Oh shit! Hey Nick, so they said you wouldn't do it, man. What do you have to say to all the people that said you couldn't do it?
I said no. Good job, because that's scary as shit. And yeah, I'm sorry to my wife. I tried it. I know you're gonna be mad at me when I get home, but guess what?
One kick, bro.
I can always ask for forgiveness. I love you.
1,000-pound animal.
What did you guys think about that bull ride? Hey, Nick is a crazy dude, and he gave it a shot, man. I definitely would not have been in there with that young bull. There's no way. But yeah, we're headed back to the camp, and well, I think we're gonna go out tonight. But for you guys, I will see you in the morning.